See that? And then I'm gonna put my good rice, my nice rice, seasoned rice, right there. I make sure I get everything. I got. Look at that. Here we go. Look at that. So I'm gonna taste it and tell you how it is. Come over here. Come look at it. Look at my chicken, man. Come on, look at, check it out. Mmm. Man, this is really good. This is really good.